everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. Welcome to all my new YouTube subscribers. I'm so excited you could join us. This is our project we are making today. Happy Wednesday, everybody. We are making an adorable little fan. Now, in the summer, it's really hot, and I thought, what a great way to use up some of our designer series paper, which is beautiful. And yeah, and then you've got a nice little fan that you can fan yourself with. So I'm going to show you how to do this. For this one here, I use the Mosaic Mood Specialty Designer Series paper. Today, we are actually going to use some cardstock, and this cardstock is crumb cake. This cardstock is cut at 6 inches by 8 inches. And what we're going to do some stamping. Now I have my paper piercing mat, and I'm just going to, I have a scrap piece of paper. I'm just going to lay it there. I could have used a bigger piece. Our stamp set we're using today, we're using the Floral Essence. I'm using this big flower here. And I thought we would use some Whisper White Craft ink. Now this ink is a little bit thick. It does take a little bit of time to dry. So we are just going to stamp our entire paper. So once you get done stamping, you're going to want to take a heat tool, and you're going to want to heat set this, because like I say, this ink is very wet and it does need some time to dry. You could also take a paper towel and dab it gently, but I would recommend a heat tool prior. So I'm going to do that. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my Flirty Flamingo ink. And I've got my sponge dauber thingy, and I usually put a label on mine, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to add some ink to the center of my flowers. Now, when making this project, you are going to need 3 of these. So you're going to need 3 pieces that are cut at 6 inch by 8 inch. And you are going to want to stamp the front and the back. And I've already gone ahead and done that to all my 3 pieces to save some time. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold my cardstock in half. Your hands are going to get a little dirty, you guys. What I recommend doing is taking a piece of printer paper and cutting yourself a template. And that is what I did here. And all I basically did was I took my template and I followed it. So I grabbed my piece of paper. I'm using my paper snips. And I'm just following my template. So when you're done, you should have 3 exactly the same cut pieces. On this one, yeah, I sponged some dots, but I wasn't sure how I felt about that. So I'm going to add that one in the middle and these guys on the outside, like so. Okay. What you're going to do now, you're going to line up all your 3 pieces. I'm using my detailed trio punch. There is a line over here. You're going to just push that in as far as it will go, making sure you're centered, and you're going to give it a punch through all those 3 pieces. I am using this scalloped lace trim, and I cut 3 of them, you guys. I just cut 3 pieces. I fed it through my fan. And then I took some Whisper White trim tied a cute little bow, and that, my friends, is your adorable little summer fan. Super cute, super easy to put together. But yeah, I suggest using and making a template first. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you all back here on Friday. We'll see you then. Take care.